Hi, I'm Jeff with Motion Pro, introducing you to our U-joint press. Now, this was designed with ATV and UTV applications specifically in mind, and so it is the easiest and most effective method for replacing or servicing the U-joints on those vehicles. The U-joint press is constructed of durable alloy steel that has been heat treated for long-lasting durability. Now, the tool can be configured in multiple different ways to accommodate just about any U-joint in the power sports industry. And the method for doing so involves these drive tips. We have a 20 millimeter here, installed is 16 millimeters, and these lower adapters in this plate, we have 16 millimeter installed, as well as a 22 and 27 millimeter adapter included with this tool. All of those are laser etched for clear identification, so you're not mixing things up. Our instructions clearly show you how to choose the correct drive tip and lower adapter, and the overall height of the tool can be adjusted with these two guide screws on the side to accommodate different stack heights for the U-joint. So with the U-joint removed from your vehicle and the circlips removed from the U-joint, you can now go ahead and pick that correct adapter and drive pin, put that U-joint in place, and advance this drive screw to press the U-joint apart. Now, oftentimes with these ATVs and UTVs going through mud, you're gonna have a corroded or seized up U-joint. So if it's not readily being removed with the drive screw alone, this floating plate allows you to strike the top of the screw and free up those stubborn bearing cups. Now, this tool is not only good for disassembly, but also reassembling your new U-joint components. Basically, it is the reverse process of disassembly. You use the same drive pin, the same adapter as disassembly, and put that U-joint back together, install your clips, and install it back on the vehicle. So it's a really easy method, really effective, and it's an affordably priced tool available nationwide from your favorite power sports dealer. So go ahead and pick one up for yourself today.